Hi everyone, my name is Wanda from Slant. So today we're going to be making a diagonal bracelet. We're going to be starting with our brown string. We're going to make a backward knot, and then we'll take our white string and make a backward knot over every string minus our brown. And now we'll take our yellow string and make a backward knot. Now we'll take our white string and make a backward knot. So we're just going to be taking one color, taking white, one color, then taking a white. Now we'll take our orange string and make a backward knot. Now we'll take our white string, and after white we'll use our brown string. So we just finished a diagonal start, and we'll get into the bracelet now. So take our dark brown string and make a forward knot over the white string beside it. Now take our yellow string and make two backward knots. Take note of this part. Now we'll take our string, our white string, and we're going to make two backward knots over the brown string and over the white string. If you do not know how to make friendship bracelet knots, I advise you to go and learn those ones first and come back. I have a video on it, and I know Masha Knots and Alex Innovations have a very good video too, so I recommend you check out those videos and come back. Now we'll use our yellow string and make a forward knot over that white string. And now we'll take our orange string and do the same thing. We're going to make backward knots over all those strings, so we're going to make 4 backward knots. Now move our orange string to one side. We'll take our white string. And now we are going to make 4 backward knots. Now we'll use our orange string and make a forward knot. Now we are going to take our light brown string and we are going to make 6 backward knots. Now we are going to take our white string and make 6 backward knots too. So we'll use our bright brown string to make a forward knot over our white string. Now we'll take our brown string and make 7 backward knots. And now we'll take our white string and make 6 backward knots. And that's all we're going to be doing. We're going to take our colored string and make 7 backward knots, then take our white string, make 6 backward knots, then use our colored string to make 1 forward knot over the white string, then next colored string. I'll repeat it one more time. 7 backward knots. With the white string, we're going to make 6 backward knots. And then 1 forward knot. There. So now we are going to make a forward knot over our orange string. We're ending our bracelets. Now we're going to take our light brown string and we're going to make forward knots over the 2 strings. Now we'll take our white string and make a forward knot over those 3 strings. Now we'll take our dark brown string and make forward knots over all the strings we have. Should be 4 or 5. we're going to take our white string now, and we are going to make a forward knot over the other 5 strings that we have. We'll take our yellow string and repeat the same forward knot. And for our last string, we are going to take our white string and make a forward knot to make sure this one is tight. That's it. And I'm going to make twisted ties. So I'm going to divide them into two, four on each side. And I'm going to make twisted ties with it. And I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. Thank you for watching and joining me today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.